Hi and welcome to the Tiler's Tools video channel. In this series of videos I'm going to show you how to use the solutions step by step and to give you the best how-tos and hopefully give you some labour saving tips. This is our algal and black spot remover. It's a very strong product, so be careful with this one. Keep it away from the ponds, fish life, marine and also vegetation. It will burn it, so just a little word of caution there. Here I've got a really nasty piece of Indian stone, and what we'll do here now, you'll see it's got really moss on it, some algal growth and a little bit of black spot. I'll show you how to easily remove that. So first of all, it's important to thoroughly wet the stone. So I've thoroughly wet the stone. I'm going to apply the algae remover neat. So we'll just use the scrubbing brush. I'm only going to do half, so you'll see the difference. You can instantly see that working. And the same as we've done with other products, we'll leave that to work. We'll go away for a few minutes and come back and wash off. Okay, so we've come back to the tile or the piece of Indian paving, and we've left that for 10 minutes or so. We'll let the solution do its thing. I'm just going to wash it off now with clean water. I think you'll agree that that's made a big difference. There's still an odd little bit of the black spot here, but I could redo that and leave it on for a little bit longer. It will come off. But where you've got the solution that's running down this ridge in the tile, you can see there where that's started to work its way down as well. So all in all, a great product for bringing your paving, your natural stone, your Indian stone back to life, to its original colour. The next process for this now would be to completely allow it to dry and then use the Seal It product on there to keep the colour and and obviously to stop any of the algal growth going back on there.